Hello, marhaba. We have reached the final lesson of independent pronouns. Now we will go through the last two independent pronouns, which are you are plural, and they are. Let's start with you are. It is pronounced in Arabic as antum, antum, and it's written like this. An example for it, antum tullab, which means you are students. For the final pronoun, which is they are, and it's pronounced in Arabic as hum, and it's written like this. An example for it, hum tullab, which means they are students. Thank you for joining me so far in learning the Arabic language. The next lesson will be about possessive pronouns. Don't forget to keep practicing, and I will see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye. مع السلامة.